So, hi mga idol, mga tol, mga lodi, this is Doms, and siguro iniisip niyo bakit ako nakatalikod. So, I just want to introduce to you the newest content series na gagawin natin dito sa YouTube. Pinangalanan ko siyang Secret Convo dahil meron akong dalawang rason. Una, meron akong i-invite ng mga tao, ng mga kasama natin with this kind of content. And I want to keep them private. Hindi ko sila ipapakilala sa inyo. Okay? Number 2, yung mga pag-uusapan namin dito, probably mga bagay na hindi namin napag-uusapan on a regular basis or mga topics na hindi na pag-uusapan sa ganitong klaseng platforms. So, yan. So, yun yung pinaka-introduction nitong content na to. So, for this pilot episode, nag-invite ako ng sobrang special na tao. Isa sa mga tropa natin na magaling pagdating sa pagtugtog. Hinangaan ko siya nung mga napapanood yung mga videos niya hanggang sa napanood ko siya live na umaawit sa isang event sa school. So without further ado, sana hindi ka tumingin. So let's all welcome Mr. Musician. Tara, huwag ka titingin. And yan. Magandang araw.
Hi, magandang araw, sir.
So, please introduce yourself without telling who you really are.
Ayan. Hello, everybody. I'm a musician, a nomad when it comes to different gigs from place to place, occasion, events, whatever that is, from bars. You can count me on this. Live performances, acoustic guitarist at the same time vocalist as well. So that's me.
Nandun ako split ako pare.
Ano lang, charot lang.
Ayun, so welcome to this content series and thank you for accepting this invitation. Na kakaiba yung setup ng interview, nakatalikod.
Siyempre, ganun talaga. Pa-mysterious effect tayo ngayon.
Yeah. That's the yun talaga yung reason or main purpose na tong content series na to. But anyways, ayun, Mr. Musician, pwede mo ba ikwento yung background? How do you start to find music talaga?
So, it all started when I was on my grade 9 that time. Before, honestly, sa family namin, wala talagang marunong mag-music. Walang inclined man lang. So, what happened that time, during my grade 9, grade 8, one of my classmates just suddenly picked the guitar out, tapos he suddenly plays. And I was so mesmerized that time because, it sounds great. Tapos, a part of me that I can admit that I'm really envious of how he does it well, and because it sound great. Parang ngayon lang ako ng ganung tunog. Tapos syempre ako gusto ko rin ma-testing, gusto ko rin matuto ng guitar. So it all started nagpumilit ako actually. Hindi naman kami ganun ka-privilege, so my mother just brought home a guitar. So a used guitar coming from her office mate. So sabi ko actually nag-start nga ako noon, napakataas ng string, yung action niya. Yung tipong hindi mo man na malulubog yung daliri mo. Grabe, sabi ko hindi ko na kaya yung. Pero actually those are my stepping stone for, although I'm not great yet. Marami pa ring improvements, pero doon nagsimula ang aking journey. So I started a little serious about things during my grade 9 kasi I am in a science, technology, and engineering and mathematics class. Kumbaga, special science class before, wherein my classmates were valedictorians and salutatorians from different districts and in different public schools. Ngayon, all-star yung pinagsama-sama. And what happened that time is that, hindi ako makasabay. sa kanilang dunong when it comes to logical skill, mathematical skills.
Tsaka from logical to music, napakalayo.
Pakalayo kasi mismo mga klase ko nagtataka bakit ito na yung ano ko eh. Pero that time, nag-decide kasi ako hindi talaga ako para dito. Kumbaga hindi to yung gift ko kasi kasi that time nag-ano na yung espiritu ng rock and roll sa buhay ko. tipong habang sila tuwan-tuwa na nagsasagot sa mga mathematical equations, yung tipong numbers yung sumasayaw, parang gustong-gusto nilang i-solve. Ako hindi, tumatakbo talaga ako, uuwi ako, tapos tutugtog ako maghapon, tapos ayun. Actually, I'm still on the verge of exploring kasi nito lang din nag-sink in sa akin. Nitong, of course, sabi nga nila, 20 years is the start of adulting life ba yun, di ba? That's the time that parang nakikita kita medyo kailangan mo magseryoso if you want to make a career out of this. So that time, hanggang mga grade 9, grade 12, ayun, nag-aaral muna ako ng I've exposed myself to different artists. Ayun, from iba-ibang genres. Ayun, sila yung mga naging influence ko that time. So what happened is I acquired lots of techniques, how to sing, how to play guitars. So how I integrated different identity ng mga gitarista na yon, mga singer na yon, kung ano man ako ngayon. Tapos ayun, hanggat ngayon nagde-decide na ako ngayon na ipagpatuloy na maging artist when it comes to music composition and stuffs.
Sabi mo sa family mo walang musically inclined. Hindi ba sila naging parang hatlang or something like that na parang pumigil sa'yo? Kasi syempre iba ang music, iba yung pagiging musician, especially dito sa bansa natin.
Correct. Ayan. Honestly, part of it that they're hesitant, parang dinadoubt nila. Syempre, napakaraming misconception nga sa music industry. Wherein nasa bar ka, ang daming mga nasirang buhay, maraming mga napariwara, drugs, sex and everything. Ganun kasi kalimitan yung impression nila dito. So part of it, medyo alam kong nangangamba sila. Pero ewan ko eh. Mas mangangamba kasi ako kung hindi ako yung magiging ako. So this time siguro pinupush ko lang kung ano yung gusto ko sa buhay. Besides, wala naman akong ginagawang masama. Sabi ko, I'm just exposing myself, improving and making the most out of my life. So through the thing that I'm really passionate about. So ayun, patuloy lang kahit nagda-doubt sila. Ayun.
Pero ngayon, they are supporting you na or hindi pa rin? Nandun pa rin sila sa saan ko patungo tong anak ko?
I think secretly parang support naman din sila kasi whenever I'm having my performances, tuwang-tuwa naman din sila kasi syempre I'm getting lots of feedbacks and they can see themselves yung improvement ko naman sa mga bagay-bagay at sa ginagawa ko, tsaka nakikita naman nila kung paano ko tinatransform, kung paano ko binibuild yung sarili ko, healthy habits, discipline na na-apply ko rin sa buhay ko, sa academics ko din. Kaya ako naman din, binabalanse ko lang din para hindi rin maging hadlang. At saka ayoko naman din makita nila na syempre bilang magulang, gusto mo rin makatapos yung anak mo. Syempre nangangambalan din sila, baka maligaw ako ng landas. Kaya ayun.
Pero tawag dito, as early as now, without revealing your age, ganyan, nakikita mo na ba talaga yung sarili mo na in the future or kapag nandun ka na sa field of work mo talaga, etong pagiging musician mo talaga yung parang magiging main na trabaho mo or job mo in the future? Or is it tulad nung karamihan na parang side hustle muna to kasi it's really hard to earn money pagdating sa industry na to?
Totoo, correct. Siguro time will tell for me. If ever I had the fortune na somehow ma-reach ko yung ganung tawag dito stage na somehow nag-gain ko yung popularity fame wherein I can create a living out of it, create a well-rounded financial portfolio who can support my future family. Of course, this gonna be my bread and butter. Kumbaga, dito ko gugugulin lahat. Pero part of it, siguro kung magiging practical, dahil nandito tayo sa developing country, Philippines, at yung talent dito often underpaid dahil syempre wala, ganun dito eh. Pero titignan natin kung sakali, syempre magsa-search din ako ng ibang alternatives if ever hindi mag-work out. So, pero syempre bibigay ko pa rin yung best ko habang may time pa ako dito para sa tunay na pinaka-passionate ako, which is music.
Okay. So, ayun. Mr. Musician, hindi naman kita pwedeng tawagin Mr. Musician if wala kang banda.
Okay.
And are you hindi ka lang ba kumakanta or tumutugtog? Ikaw ba ay yung klase ng musician na nagko-compose din, or yun nga, meron ka bang bandang kasama ngayon without telling kung sino sila?
Ayun.
Meron.
Actually, bilang musician, yung tawag dito, part naman din sa akin na based on my personal experience sa different bar gigs, parang kasi paulit-ulit na lang yung yung kanta na kinakanta ko. Kumbaga kanta nila yun eh. Kumbaga, the point is, it was already done by other artists. So part of me, parang it's gonna be ironic that you call yourself an artist without creating something out of your own. So sabi ko, I have to create something. Hindi lang palaging nagko-cover lang ako, hindi lang palaging iikot lang yung mundo ko base sa art din ng iba. Kailangan din express ko din yung identity ko, express ko rin yung sarili ko. So ayun, nag-decide ako that time na mag-compose din ako ng sarili kong kanta, in which it's happening right now, which is gonna be releasing in this February. So ayun ang goal ko talaga, kasi ayun naman talaga, kailangan natin express yung sarili natin, hindi lang palaging iba, kasi originality natin yun eh, identity natin at authenticity natin yun, yung pagiging sarili nating uniqueness yun.
So, kumbaga parang magkaroon dyan ng sarili mong identity pagdating sa industry na to, diba? And speaking of, nasabi mo na rin, actually guys, I have a secret. Since it's a secret convo, this person, this Mr. Musician, actually, I'm working with him.
Iyo.
And yung sinabi niyang happening is something na currently ginagawa namin siya.
Yes.
So, this is the first collaboration project with me and Mr. Musician. So, yeah, meron po siyang original song, meron din siyang banda, and coming soon, actually not soon, actually the day na i-upload ko to is the day also na i-release ninyo ito music video, di ba?
Siyempre.
So, ayun, without telling, dahil secret pa rin naman, no? So, please invite itong mga nanonood sa akin, kung ilan man sila, na supportahan kayo. And once there, na nakita na nila yung gawa ninyo, or na-link na natin sila dun sa dun ka pa lang nila makikilala.
Okay.
So, yun, use this moment, this opportunity to invite our viewers sa ating project, sa music video ng original song mo.
Ayan. Alright, hello world. Magandang gabi po, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, kung ano man. Nauna pa yung gabi. Pero anyways, I'm inviting everyone, each and every one of us, if ever you have time available, if ever you are watching this video, i-endorse ko na yung kanta namin, if na sana inyong pakinggan, inyong madama yung expression na aming at emosyon na aking gustong express dito. At I hope sana ma-appreciate ninyo, at if ever you have any suggestions, criticisms, or any reactions, just give it to us. Suggestions, we are happy to take it, and para ma-improve din namin lalo ang pagiging musician namin. So, stay in tune with Dom's secret conversation. Grabe tong suspense na to. Kinakabahan din ako.
For the secret count.
Oo, grabe tong content na to, Doms. Grabe. Ayun, at stay in tune at hintayin nyo, magre-release kami at yun lang. Yeah. Good luck, guys.
Actually, today yun, the details is ilalabas ko sa description, and also you can watch the actual music video at the end of this video. Nandiyan yan, nakalagay sa credits. And that music video, iyayabang ko na rin, is written, directed, and edited by yours truly. Ayan. So, yun, supportahan natin si Mr. Musician. Marireveal na po kung sino siya kapag napanood nyo yung music video. So, last, siguro mensahe sa mga kapwa natin, kasi I'm also a musician,
Okay.
tumutugtog din ako. Mag-iwan ka ng konting mensahe sa mga kapwa nating aspiring musician na siguro naguguluhan pa sa ngayon or naghahanap ng sign or alam mo yun, parang something message during these trying times kasi mahirap talaga yung industry na to. So, use this time to encourage them na
Yeah.
magpatuloy. Go ahead.
As a musician, although I'm still young and there are still a lot of things that I need to improve on when it comes to being a musician, but something that I can tell is that with the things that you are truly passionate about, come on guys, keep the fire burning, keep on continuing, keep on holding on despite the adversities, despite the struggles that of course frustrations, rejections that all the artists are facing. Those are just integral part of your journey, and don't let those things define you. So just keep on doing the things that make you happy, that fulfills your life, and that's it. You're already successful. Just keep on going. Ayun lang. Maraming salamat.
Okay, so with that, thank you so much, Mr. Musician. Maraming salamat. You're the pilot episode of this content. If you want more, mag-interview pa tayo ng ating mga kaibigan, tropa, or kung sino man na pwede natin ma-feature with this content. So, yun, stay tuned. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I-reveal na natin yung identity niya sa end credit nitong
Yes.
vlog na to.
And direct,
So,
thank you. Thank you sa pag-imbita sa akin dito. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and thank you rin sa pagtitiwala to produce your first song
Yes.
and first music video. So,
Dumugo ba ilong mo? Hindi naman.
medyo. So yeah, with that guys, I just want to say goodbye and see you all to the next video. Bye-bye! Kami ka. Kahit nakatalikod.
Ay, umakaway pala ako dito.
Yeah, bye-bye!